It was here in Hartsville in 1982. I wanted to provide something for not only myself, but also for my family, and to be able to provide employment for people here in the community of Hartsville. We realize that it's important that we continue to improve whatever we do. Quality has been one of the main concerns of ourselves.
Well, JBE services the automotive industry. We're in the paper industry, aerospace industry. We handle services for filtration, healthcare, building and electrical systems. Our supply chain management has been a real key for us. Next to sub-assembly, I would say that this has been a core part of our business.
So what we do at JBE is we help companies simplify or streamline. We're looking for companies that need to move work out. Maybe they're cramped for space, they're cramped for the people, and they have a need to get someone to come in and help them with that. So maybe they're making something, but there's a lot of little processes that go into it that aren't really their core activities. We help them by pulling that out and then providing them that and helping them then increase their efficiency and their timeliness without having the worries that they had when it was all inside their building.
Well, I feel customers should do business with JBE Incorporated because of our value and because of our values. Our mission has always been to make a difference, not only to our families, but also to the community. And we do that by making a difference to the customer, a customer who we feel is going to have the same commitment that we do to family and community. And we feel like we add value to that customer because of our large company ability while maintaining a small company's agility. The one word that comes to mind when I think of JBE is loyalty.
The word that I think of when I think of JBE that comes to my mind would be reliable.
I have to sum it up in several words: determination, dedication, dependability, and family.
So the one word that comes to mind that I think of when I think of JBE is loyalty, which starts with loyalty to ourselves and to each other, but then that loyalty comes through in our loyalty to the customer.
When we think of JBE, we think of partnership,
Fantastic.
Commitment.
Dedicated.
Family.
flexible,
Awesome.
Diversity.
World class.
opportunity.
The image.
Teamwork.
Loyalty.
Your family.
Cuando pienso en JBE, pienso en responsabilidad.
We've heard it said, a picture is worth 1,000 words. A visit to JBE is worth 1,000,000 words.